Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Henil.
This is Jinal.
Yep, and we are back today with a video of a game that we are playing. Who
Today we
knows?
are playing a game. Who knows who better?
Who knows?
Who better? Yeah.
Yep. Let's start.
So we have list of questions, and think I'll shoot first.
Okay. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Yeah. So let's hide the questions first. Okay. So if I have this is a situational question. Say if I have abundance of money, what would I be doing with it?
Do you have a amount in mind when you say?
No,
abundance?
just abundance. Plenty of money that you even can't think of.
Okay.
So I would
No,
be
I
doing
can't
what
think.
all?
Shopping, one, or gardening. I would say you may buy a plot and you just gardening 24/7 if you have abundance of money.
That's correct, but there is an addition to it. I would also like to open an animal shelter with that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I missed that.
Yeah, so it was maybe 7 or 8 on 10 answer
Okay.
wise. Okay, now your turn.
Okay. So what food do I pretend to like, but I actually don't like it?
Okay. Uh,
Shouldn't take you long.
so you like Italian, you like ramen and stuff. Maybe something with very mild spices food like Japanese food.
Okay.
Maybe dumpling, sushi, and ramen he likes, but not he likes spicy ramen. So if something is very blend in taste, I think those kind of food.
Yeah, I pretend to like, but I actually don't.
Yeah. Is that
Good
the
one. Yeah.
so it's a 10 on 10? Yeah, yes,
10 on 10,
yes. Okay, my turn now. Okay, so if I go to a cafe and I have only one thing that I can order, then what would it be? I can order only one thing,
Okay.
and yeah, so that accurate thing would be what?
Sushi.
No, like this is completely failure. It would be ramen.
I was confused between ramen or sushi, and I went with sushi because she.
I crave at times, but it's not like my
Something
go-to
which-
food. Yeah, so ramen is the answer.
Okay.
Okay, your turn. I think I am winning this already.
Let's see.
Okay.
Don't get too hyped.
Okay, fine. Next.
So, which part of the whole content creation journey makes me stressed out? This should be easy for you, I feel.
So something which is on the creative side where he has to either not act but he has to dance or he has to show something very evidently on his face. That part he struggles with.
Be blunt, say dance.
Yeah, dance is on the list.
10 on 10.
I am winning this. Okay. I think he would be knowing this. What's
Now,
my-
this is pressure.
Yeah.
Okay. If I don't.
I have
Come on.
put one easy question so that it becomes a fair game. Now let's see. What's my favorite thing to do when I am free?
Oh my god, this is a tough one.
Oh,
I
is
would
it
say.
a tough question? I
Reason
thought
being,
there are
you like
multiple.
multiple things.
Okay.
So, if I nitpick any one thing and if you say that this is not my go to thing,
Hmm.
you have to be lenient, I
Okay.
would say.
Yeah, fine. You can give it a try. But I will give you a hint. This is something that I would do very often whenever I am free. And you would see me doing that all the day whenever I am free.
Home cleaning.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
So with enough of hints, I think that's the
No,
correct
this is not
answer.
enough of it. This was on my mind, but I was confused whether I
Should
should
I?
tell, sleeping.
Okay.
Sleeping was one thing.
Hmm.
Cleaning household chores was second thing.
Yeah.
And the third one was doom scrolling Instagram reels. So,
But yeah, cleaning is something that I would be doing very often. So yes,
so
I think
how
you
much
would
rate?
10
You-
on 10.
Okay.
10 on 10. But it's your first 10 on 10. Others weren't. So yeah.
You were not lenient in the first one.
No.
but it was 10 on
Let
10,
it be
okay?
that. Okay.
It
okay.
was not 8
Next
on 10.
question, please. Next question.
Someone asked 10 on 10, and here I am being a good guy who gives 10 on 10 on every answer he gives.
Fine. Next question.
Okay.
Wife is always right.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the most unnecessary thing you think I would spend my money on?
Oh. We both are quite mindful when it comes to spending money. But what's that one thing? Sorry, can you repeat?
What's the most unnecessary thing
Huh?
you think I would spend money on? Maybe I'll just clarify. Unnecessary can be for you.
Huh? Yeah, I got that. Yeah. Food, ordering a lot of things. Food.
No.
Okay. Unnecessary things that I feel. I couldn't think of one.
Okay. I mean, I'm just answering from your perspective. It might be football jersey for you.
Okay.
Because it
I was
might be
going
unnecessary.
to say that, but you don't. I mean, splurge your money. You like. Okay.
But that might be unnecessary for you. That's why
Huh.
I
Yeah.
0 on 10,
It was
guys.
there in my mind, but I just didn't say that because you, as I already mentioned, that we are quite mindful of whatever we buy and sort of. So yeah.
We
Okay.
keep our hands in our pocket every time.
Yeah. So okay.
So we are square one now.
Okay. No,
Your
is
turn.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're noting everything down.
Fine. Now next question on my list.
She'll pick a tough one now, okay? Since we are level now.
Okay. So this is a situational question,
Okay.
and
Be lenient, please.
yeah. I don't think that okay. Let me not drop hints already, but I'll just shoot the question first. If I have to choose between my top most favorite thing,
Oh my god.
between that and you, what would I pick?
Obviously me, you can't even say no about it, no?
So the answer to this question.
Okay,
Flo-
your top most favorite thing should be me.
Hey, he changed. Basis my narrative, he changed. No. We are going to go ahead with your first answer. No. Okay.
Matlab, your most
Yeah, it had to
favorite
be.
thing had
Yeah,
to
yeah,
me.
yeah. It had to be your answer, but that was not your answer in the first go. So yeah, you
Okay.
lose
No, it's
this
not-
one.
it's not
You lose
something
this
which I've
one. You
lost.
lose
Eventual
this
answer
one.
is me.
Okay,
If
fine.
A equal to B,
No.
B equal to A.
You lose this one. I'm keeping a 0.0 here. You,
Cheating.
You can go with your next
Guys,
question.
you all know that I'm one up, so.
No, how? No. You are not.
No. Yes.
You have.
You can't just, pick the score because I've not given you ratings for all the questions we have
We
done till
know
now.
we can evaluate. We can take some time. We can evaluate. But for now, either it would be like
Equal.
equal,
We are equal.
or I would be leading, but
Okay,
not.
we are equal.
Okay.
It's
Next,
never. there's
next
never
question,
a-
please. Next question.
Okay.
Finding some tough question now.
So, what is that one thing that always makes me laugh?
So it is vague. That is my weirdness, and it means like my weird dances, my weird expressions, and all of that. That makes you laugh the most.
Okay. I was just
At least
gonna-
from my lens. Now I don't know.
I was just gonna answer you, but
Yeah.
you drained
I-
it down pretty well, so I'll take it. Yeah, 10 on 10.
I am winning.
Your turn.
Okay. Okay. If I get super pissed off with you and you have just got 10 seconds with you, then what would you do to make me again back to normal?
Just 10 seconds.
Yeah, you have 10 seconds.
I'll bring a money plant for you.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good answer. But how will you bring a money plant in 10 seconds?
See, that's another question, guys. We'll
No.
not focus more on that.
So, though your answer was correct, but with this condition of 10 seconds, it won't
So I'll
qualify
bring-
as a perfect answer. That was the catch.
That was not the
That
catch. That
was
was
the
another
catch.
question that you
No.
asked.
Zero. Your turn.
At first, she said yes. And then
Yeah,
she
because it was
gave
true.
it a
But
thought.
then you add
Now
10
get angry in
seconds.
10 seconds. I'll give you a money plant right now.
No, those are already present.
So
Those
what?
are
You can't bring another one.
No. It's not like I have some good jewelry. I have clothes with me, and you
For
just
every-
open my cupboard and give that to me.
For every husbands out there, you all know that your wife will get angry and you in 10 seconds you can't do anything. You can just run away from the door
Find a cool, safe space for yourself,
for yourself
and hide
and
for some time.
reach home the other day or the night later. It's fine.
Okay, fine. Okay. Next question from
My
your
turn,
list.
yeah.
Yeah.
You
Your
keep answering
turn.
questions,
Your
yeah.
turn.
If I could teleport anywhere right now, where shall I go or where would I be?
With me?
No, I.
Germany. No?
Right now. It's in the moment, right now, today. It's incorrect. I'm giving you another try. Just being a nice husband.
Right now in the moment.
Yes, if I could teleport.
See, if it's something about your matches, I don't know which match is going on. I can go in that direction that maybe.
Go in that direction.
Yeah.
It's something related to that only.
I know that, but I don't know what all matches you
At least
have.
name a country.
He is watching matches daytime, nighttime, night 3:30, night 12 o'clock. I don't know what match you are talking about.
Okay.
So, but I know the direction. To the answer is that maybe the team he's supporting, it's related to the what do we have?
Football.
No, not football. Obviously football, but
World Cup.
World Cup. World Cup matches that we have. Maybe.
Where is the World Cup?
Oh, you told me this.
Yes.
US. No.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I would teleport to US.
Okay. He was very enthused about yesterday's match
Yesterday.
yesterday's match of Germany, and he was like very excited. So I thought it would be Germany.
Yeah, but not in Germany.
Yeah. Okay.
But
So
yeah.
US.
So
yeah.
she lost basically.
Okay. Fine. Huh. Okay. Now my turn, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is something that I would do and then suddenly go into the guilt trip? I would enjoy, but yeah, the moment I do that, I go into a guilt trip.
Oh my God.
What is that thing?
Immediately.
Yeah, immediately. Not immediately as in 1 second, 2 seconds, but yeah, immediately.
This is a tough one, I would say. You kept the tough one at the last,
Yeah.
didn't you?
At least you can go into the direction of thinking like how I did in your
So-
last question.
So maybe I'm thinking something from, food aspect. Maybe you don't eventually want to have junk food, but as in when you eat junk food, an hour later or a couple of hours later, you will feel the guilt, and the next day onwards, you will be like, yo, from tomorrow onwards, I'm eating healthy, all healthy.
Yeah, that is the
Is that the
perfect
answer?
answer. Yeah.
Oh my God. I was framing it into that having junk food in the afternoon or as lunch. That will be your biggest guilt, I would say. At night times, you may
I won't
crave it.
prefer having it at
Indeed.
all in lunch, but yeah.
If you-
Anytime,
yeah,
anytime,
anytime,
lunch
yes.
I will enjoy and then go in a guilt. Yeah.
Guilt the other day.
Not the other day, even
Same.
that very next moment. Yes.
Good one.
So are we done with all your 6 questions?
Then left with mine.
Okay.
One last of mine.
Okay.
Okay. I think you might have multiple answers for this question. So, but this is just an easy one which I kept it at last. So,
Okay.
what's my most annoying habit for you?
Hey, this is very easy. I
Do
have a
nitpicking.
list. I have a list. But okay,
Only
let
tell
me.
one which you can, tell in front of our audience.
Yeah, I have many. But okay, to pick one, the most annoying. Yeah, okay, I have the
Our
answer.
facial expressions just changed.
Yeah. It's sad that I have to pick one because here I have the list coming for you guys. But okay, let me pick one. So whenever he goes for a shower, he won't clean the washroom. To his understanding, he is cleaning. He is, giving me this small pinches under the table. But I'm going to say this. So he doesn't clean the washroom properly. In his understanding, he does. But let me not give you all the details, else you would not like to hear what I'm speaking. But yeah, he's very messy with washroom.
No, I'm
So,
not, guys.
After his one use, you would not like to go. No. Like to any ordinary people, yeah, you can. Maybe I would be
To her,
over
not-
exaggerating it, but
Yeah,
yeah,
you
but
are. Yes, you
being
are.
OCD person, that is something that I feel annoyed the most of the time. Yeah, your habit. Yeah.
0 on 10.
And it's my answer.
No, but
There is
I'll
no
take it.
rating
I'll
basically
take it
to
as
this
0
kind
on
of.
10.
Okay, fine, whatever. Yeah. I think we should let our audience comment like who is winning
Yeah.
here.
Because both of us
Guys, please don't support him. Please support
and don't
me.
support her.
I think we should have, two teams, Team Henel and Team Genius.
Yes, comment which team you are on.
Yeah. Okay. I think we see you in the next video.
Yep.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.